Today we'll be going through Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Core 058012 October number 2016. Question number 1. The distance time graph shows the first 10 minutes of the cycle journey. This graph is provided. This side is time, this side is distance in kilometers. After how many minutes did the cyclist stop? So cyclist stopped over here from this time to this time, so after 6 minutes, so we can write after 6 minutes. How many kilometers did the cyclist travel in the first 8 minutes? So in first 8 minutes it is 2.5 kilometers, so we can write 2.5 kilometers. Write 9% as fraction, so 9 over 100 will be 9% in fraction format. So 9 over 100, this will be our answer to this one. Then write 3 by 10 as decimal, so this will be 3 over 10. So we can write this is 0 for this one, and for 1 we can write this decimal and 0, and this will be gone, so this will be 0.3. Or you can use even calculator for this, like for example this one. So you can write like 3 divided by 10 is equal to this one, so 0.3. By the help of calculator also you can write. Then comes question number 3. Write the correct symbol greater than, equal to, or less than in each statement. 500 meter is less than basically 5 kilometers, so this symbol will be over here. And then 50 millimeters is 50 millimeters will be like basically this will be 5 centimeters, so 5 centimeter is bigger than 0.5 centimeters, so this will be the symbol. Then 5,000 centimeters will be basically equal to, if we convert into if we divide 5,000 by, if we convert like for example 5,000 centimeter into kilometer, so this will be centimeter and this will be kilometer. Dividing by 1000 will be kilometer, and dividing by 100 will be from centimeter to meter. So if we divide 5000 by 100 into 1000, and we will get 0.05, which is same as this one, so we will write equal to symbol over here. Hopefully you understood this conversion as well. Question number 4. A bag contains 20 counters. 10 counters are red, 8 are blue, and the rest are yellow. So 10 plus 8, 18, so it means yellow are 2. One counter is taken from the bag at random. Mark an arrow on the probability scale to show the probability that the counter is red. So red are how many? There are 10 counters are red, so it will be 10 out of 20. So this will be 20 counters, so it will be 10 out of 20 counters will be red. So this 10 over 20, we can cancel this and we can write it as 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 will be half of this one. We can show arrow over here. So this will be 1 by 2. Then find the probability that the counter is yellow. So there are 2 yellow out of 20. So it will be 2 over 20. So we can write 2 over 20. Then put one pair of brackets into the calculation to make it correct. So like for example, this should be equal to 8. So if we put brackets over here, this will be 3 into 2 will be 6, 6, 12 divided by 6 will be 2, 2 plus 6 will be 8. So bracket should be here. Then work out this one. So by the help of calculator, 1.17 plus 1.28 and divided by 3.92, and this will be equal to 5 over 8, or we can write 0.625. So 0.625, we can write answer 0.625. Hopefully you understood this as well. Now this is question number 6, which is matrices question. M is given N is also provided. Work out 3m, so 3 into this one 5 and minus 7, this will be equal to 3 into 5 will be 15, and this into this will be minus 21. So our answer will be 15 and minus 21. This will be our answer to part A. Then part B is m minus n. M is 5 minus 7 and minus n will be 2 and 6. This will be equal to 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 and minus 7 and minus 6. So this will be resulting to 5 minus 2 will be 3, and this will be minus 13. 3 and minus 13 will be our final answer. Question number 7. The temperature at midnight was minus 8 degrees Celsius. The temperature at 5 a.m. is minus 3 degrees Celsius. So work out the difference. So minus 8 minus 3 will be 5 degrees Celsius. Basically difference between them is 5 degrees Celsius. So 5 degrees Celsius will be the difference. We can write here. Then the temperature at midday was 9 degrees Celsius, higher than the temperature at 5 a.m. So 5 a.m. was this one. So from minus 3 to 0, this will be 3 degrees Celsius, and so from 0 to 2 will be more 2 degrees Celsius. So adding this one will be 5. So it will reach to this one. Basically they are asking that the temperature at midday was 9 degrees Celsius, higher than, okay, so 9 degrees, 3 is this one, so 6 will be more, so 6 degrees Celsius. So 3 plus 6 will be 9. This will be 9 degrees Celsius difference, and the temperature will reach to 6 degrees Celsius. Hopefully you understood this. Then question number 8, question number 8, write down a common multiple of 8 and 12. So common multiple of 8 and 12, multiples of 8 are what? 1, 2, 4 and 8, and basically multiples we can write at, like for example 8, 16, 24 and 32. And for 12 we can write multiples of 12 will be 12 and 24 and 36. So 24 is the common multiple, so we can write here 24. Write down a prime number between 50 and 60. Prime numbers, or like for example 53 is a prime number, or even we can take it as 59. So 53 will be the answer which I am writing, because they are asking for one prime number, a prime number. So question number 9, write 1, 4, 8, 3, 5 correct to the nearest 1000. So 1000 position is basically this one. So we will round this. So this is more than 5. So we'll add 1 here. So 1, 5, 0, 0, 0. This will be the rounding which we have done, this much. So write your answer to part A in standard form. So it will be 1.5 into, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 4. So we can write here 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 4. Question number 10, diagram is provided which is not to scale. There are two parallel lines and angle A we have to find. So angle A will be, basically we can find this angle, which one is, this is 67. So this will also be 67. So this will be 67, and we can find this remaining angle will be 180 minus 67. So 180 minus 67 is equal to 113. So this is 113 degrees. 113 plus 42 will be equal to this one, and 180 minus answer will be equal to 25. So A value is 25 degrees. This will be 25 degrees. And the working, because this is 2 marks, so better to write a step. For example, we can write 180 minus 67 degrees is equal to 113 degrees, this much, and then 113 plus 42 is equal to 155 degrees, and then we can write last step 180 degree minus 155 degrees is equal to 25 degrees, and this will be our final answer. Now question number 11. Question 11 says solve this equation. Basically we have to multiply this, or we can directly divide. K minus 8 is equal to 78 over 6, which is equal to 78 divided by 6 is equal to 13. So K minus 8 is equal to 13. This implies K is equal to 13 plus 8, which is equal to 21. So our answer will be 21. Question number 12. Diagram is provided which is not to scale, and these two lines are parallel, and calculate the area of the trapezium. And we know formula for area of trapezium is 1 by 2 into A plus B into H, and H is always the perpendicular height. So 1 by 2 into A and B are the parallel sides, so 13 plus 16, and multiply by this one 4. So we can cancel this for 2, and this will be 29 into 2. 29 multiplied by 2 will be equal to 58. So this is 58 centimeters square. So we can write here 58. Hopefully you got this as well. Now question number 13. This diagram is provided. Use trigonometry to calculate the value of x. So opposite, this is opposite, so opposite over hypotenuse will be equal to this over this will be basically sine of this angle. Sine of 32 degree is equal to x over 14. So this implies x is equal to 14 sine of 32 degrees, and 14 sine of 32 degrees 14 sine of 32 degrees we can calculate will be equal to 7.4188, or approximately equal to we can write this one as 7.41. so 7.42 we can write a rounded answer. So 7.42 will be our final answer. Now the question number 14. This diagram is provided. This side is 9 centimeters, 6 and 5. The diagram is not to scale. The diagram shows a solid in the shape of a cuboid with a small cube removed. So the cuboid measures 9, 6 and 5 centimeters. Each edge of the small cube measures 2 centimeter. Calculate the volume of the cuboid. So basically we have to calculate the volume of this bigger cube will be equal to volume of cuboid will be equal to, we will take volume 9 into 6 into 5, and from this volume we will subtract 2 into 2 into 2. This will be the volume of the smaller cube. So we will be subtracting this, and this will be 9 into 6 into 5, and minus this will be 2 into 2 into 2, and this will be equal to 262. This will be centimeter cube, and our answer will be 262 over here. Now question number 15. cups are made in a factory, the probability that one of these cups is faulty is this one. Find the probability that the cup is not faulty. So 1 minus 0.02 will be equal to not faulty, because this is faulty and probability, maximum probability can be 1. So 1 minus 0.02 will be the remaining probability, which is 0.98. 0.98 will be the answer, 0.98. Then in one day 2500 cups are made. Work out the number of these cups that are expected to be faulty. So faulty are the probability that one of these cups is faulty. Faulty is this one. So 0.02 multiplied by 2500, and this will be equal to 0.02 into 2500, and this is equal to 50. So 50 cups are basically expected to be faulty. Question number 16. Grid is provided. Point A has coordinates 3 and 6. This one, 3 and 6, 3 and 6, and write down the coordinates of point B. So this will be 7 and 1. So 7 and 1 will be the coordinates of this one. So we can write here 7 and 1. Find the gradient of the line AB. So gradient we have to find for the line AB. To find the gradient of this line, we will join this AB line. After joining this one, we will complete the triangle. For example, this one, we will have to take at least half of the, basically more than half of the line. Here in this case, we have taken complete AB line, and this is the triangle, and I'm shading for your explanation so that you should understand this. Hopefully you must have subscribed Maths TV. If you have not yet done, please subscribe Maths TV. Also don't forget to press bell icon so that you will be getting intimation for incoming notification for incoming videos. Also recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows, and introduce this channel to your respected teachers. So we have done this shading part. We can count this is rise 1 2 3 4 5 units. So this side is 5 units and this side is 1 2 3 4 units. So it's 4. So it will be 5 rise over run. So m will be equal to 5 over 4, and right side is down, so we'll write minus 5 over 4, or we can write in decimal also, minus 5 over 4, and decimal value can be minus 1.25, which is equal to minus 1.25. We can write this answer or this one. So minus 1.25 will be the gradient. Always when right side is down, left side is up, it will be negative gradient. You'll have to take care of that. Question number 17. These triangles are provided which are not to scale. 4 triangles are provided. 2 of these triangles are similar. Write down the letters of these 2 triangles. Which 2 are similar? A, B, C, D. 4 triangles are provided. So if we check this one, this angle is 55. There's no 55 angle in this one. If we check, this is 80 plus 35 is equal to this one, minus 180 will be equal to, this angle is basically 65. So this will not be matching with this one. So this is not similar to this one. So 55 is this, and this is 55. If we check, this one is what? This is 55 plus 75, which is equal to 130. So this angle will be 50. If we check, there is no 50 involved, and if we check B also, if we complete the remaining angle for this one, this will be 135. So 180 minus answer will be equal to 45. So this side is 45 degree. So these are 3 angles. We will be checking which triangle is matching. All 3 angles should match. So this is also not matching. We can check this and this, 55, 45. So it means this is 80 degrees. And this is matching, so we can write B and D. Okay, done. Now B part, 4.2 centimeters this side, 9.6 centimeter this side, and this is H, and this, okay. So these two rectangle P is similar to Q. P is similar to Q. Work out value of H. So we'll check ratio between these two sides, which is 12.8 divided by 9.6 is equal to this one. So K value is equal to 12.8 over 9.6, which is equal to, basically we can write 4 by 3. So this is 4 by 3, and if we multiply 9.6, we should get this. To check whether whatever K value we have calculated is correct or wrong, so we'll double check. 9.6 multiply by 4 over 3, and this should result to 12.8. See, this is 12.8, so this is correct. Now we will multiply this also with 4.3, so we will write 4.2 into 4 by 3. So this will be the answer. So 4.2 multiplied by 4 over 3, and this will be equal to 5.6. So 5.6 will be our answer to this one, and this will be in centimeters basically. This is done. Now question number 18. The scatter diagram shows the speaking test scores and the writing test score for 15 students. So this side is writing, this side is speaking test. One student's writing test score was much better than their speaking test score. So draw a ring around this one. So that student is basically this one, which is writing is much better than speaking. So this one. Then what type of correlation is shown in the scatter diagram? What type of correlation is shown in the diagram? So correlation, right side is up. If we put pencil over here, we can see this side is up, this side is below. So this is positive correlation. So we will write here positive correlation. Then draw a line of best fit on the scatter diagram. So we can draw a line of best fit. Basically we can turn page according to our convenience. So this will be the, basically the, we'll have to draw a line of best fit. So for example, this one is the line of best fit which we have drawn. So one student's score were not recorded on the scatter diagram. His writing test score was 10. So writing score was 10 mean this one. So this score will be, we can check the reference for 10, and this will be around, this answer for scatter diagram is always a range. So don't worry about this one, but range should be within the like limit of accuracy, right? So this will be basically this will be 14. So this will be 14. So use your line of best fit to estimate his speaking test score. So this is 14, which we have shown on this also. So this is done. Then this is question number 19. Work out the perimeter of a regular octagon with side length 4. Regular octagon. So it will be having 8 sides. Octagon mean 8 sides. So 8 sides, 8 multiplied by each side is 4. So this will be equal to 32 centimeters. So our answer will be 32 centimeters. Work out the interior angle of a regular 12-sided shape. So regular 12-sided shape, we need the interior angle of, so it will be like for example interior angle of 12-sided shape, so 360 divided by 12, and this will be equal to 360 divided by 12 will be equal to 30. So this will be the angle, and 180 minus 30 will be equal to 150 degrees Celsius. So this is how we can calculate the angle, basically work out the interior angle. So this is interior angle, so and this will be basically the exterior angle. Exterior angle will be 30, so interior will be 180 minus 30, which is equal to 150. So our answer will be 150 degrees. Now without using your calculator, we have to work this. So work out this, you must show all your working. So this type of question basically we can do by LCM or by equalization of denominator. So 3 by 4 plus 2 over 3 minus 1 over 8. So we can equalize the denominator. We can make it 24. So multiply this and this by 6 and this by 8. We are equalizing the denominator, this and this by 3. So this will be resulting to 18 over 24 plus this will be 16 over 24 and minus 3 over 24. Now the denominators are equalized, and now you can just solve them, like 18 minus 16, 18 plus 16 will be equal to, basically 18 plus 16 will be 34. So this is 34 and minus 3 will be 31. So this will be 31 over 24. So 31 over 24, or what we can do, we can write 31 divided by 24 will be basically this one, 1 whole 7 by 24. So how we can show this one, like for example we will divide 31 by 24, so 1 and 24 and this will be 7, and we will rotate this like this one. So this will be 1 whole 7 over 24. This will be our final answer, and we will write here also in mixed fraction. So this will be 1 whole 7 over 24. This will be our final answer. Now this is question number 21, last question of this paper. Simplify 3p plus 5p will be 8p plus p will be 9p. So this is equal to 9p, and we can write at the proper location as 9p. Multiply out the brackets. So if we open the bracket, this will be 4q minus 12. So 4q minus 12 will be final answer. Factorize completely. We'll have to take maximum common. 5 we can take maximum out of this one, and t. So it will be 2 plus this will be 3t, and this will be our final answer. 5t into 2 plus 3t, this will be final answer. Then this is the simultaneous equation which we have to solve. We can see this coefficient of y are same, so we'll just add them. We can write here adding, and this will be gone, and this will be 8x is equal to this will be 24. So x is equal to 3. So this will be one value. X is equal to 3. We can write here x is equal to 3. For y value, we can replace in any of these two original equations. So I will be using first equation. 3 into 3 plus y is equal to 7. So this will be 9. So y is equal to 7 minus 9, which is equal to minus 2. So y value is minus 2. Hopefully you understood each and every question of this paper. And don't forget to subscribe Maths TV, press bell icon also, so that you will be getting notification for incoming videos. Also recommend this channel to your respected teachers, and also recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows. Take care. Bye.